Introduce highlight features and quick overview of ASUS ROG Strix G35CZ-XH988 gaming desktop PC. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Dominate game worlds and beyond with the powerful ROG Strix GT35. Tournament-ready performance is bolstered by an easy carry design with an integrated handle, 2 hot swap SSD bays to quickly change drives, and Keystone 2 technology for easy profile switching at competitions and LANs. Ready for anything. GeForce RTX 3080 GPU delivers high frame rates for smoother action, while an Intel Core i9 CPU speeds up intensive workloads like streaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. High Fps Gaming, everything from fast-paced esports games to AAA masterpieces runs smooth as silk on the GT35. Take in the sights of Shadow of the Tomb Raider with stunning 4K ultra visuals, or hop into an Overwatch match and experience fluid gameplay with maximum details, even in the thick of battle. Cutting-edge cooling, comprehensive cooling enables the high-level processor performance required for serious gaming and work. The multi-zone chassis keeps the CPU, graphics card, and power supply in separate chambers to minimize thermal interference and lower ambient temperatures. Personalized to perfection. Creating the perfect PC experience demands deep and detailed personalization options. Show off your personal style in brilliant color across a full environment of Aura Sync-compatible devices. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.